Hello and welcome to Panto Financial Services. This is Pranav Patil. Today we will discuss about the family portfolio. What are the benefits of family portfolio? How to construct the family portfolio. Now we will first understand what is portfolio. Portfolio is nothing but all the securities you hold it in a particular account. Let's say what are the securities you hold it, what is the value of this entire things, you get it in a particular account. That's called as a portfolio. Now port, what is family portfolio? You have a different people in the family, right? You got your father, mother, or your spouse, you have children as well. All these accounts managing under one umbrella, that's called as a family portfolio. Now how to do it? You can open the demat account on each person's name separately, and you can manage it under one umbrella. That's called as a family portfolio. Now what happens, I would personally recommend you open the demat account with a broker rather than banks, because banks charges on a yearly basis. Every year there are charges from the banks, but brokers don't charge it if you opt for a lifetime free account. So first thing is that you have to open the account each and every person's name, irrespective of child is 5 years or 2 years or 20 years or 15 years. You have to open the account. Similar with your parents as well. So once you open this account, you can open this account with a one mobile number as well, and one mail ID as well. So you can track it properly. Now once you open the demat account, you have to select the securities. Now each account you keep maximum two securities, not more than that. If you are a family of say 5 people or 6 people, maximum stocks in all the portfolios will be 10 to 11 or 12 stocks, not more than that. Decide particular stocks in each account. And but once you decide that, okay, my children's name or my father's name, these two stocks I have selected, for mother's these two stocks I have selected, for my account I have selected this stocks, on children's account these are the stocks. Once you decide that, do a allocation. Say 20% for fathers, 20% for mother, 20% your spouses, and remaining 20% for your children's as well, and 20% on your account. This is the way you can diversify the entire amount. You don't need any portfolio manager or anybody to tell you how you can do it. It is up to you, up to your requirement basically. Now there are certain clients who wanted to do a SIP kind of something, or they wanted to save for their children or children's education or marriage perspective. So what they can do, by the and they, if they don't aware about the much particular about the particular stock, say my children is like a 5 years or 7 years, after 15 years I wanted that money for education or marriage perspective, but I don't know, or I don't have that much confidence that 15 years down the line this security will be exist in the market. It could be possible, right, if you are not aware about the market. So better you buy the nifty Bs into that particular account. I would, especially on the children's account, I would recommend to buy nifty Bs. Now don't go with a one time lump sum amount. Every month you buy it, every quarter you buy it, every half year you buy it, as per your appetite of investment. You can add this for a children's account. Especially, it is my suggestion, you think about the nifty Bs perspective, because of course in the long term there is no risk from a perspective. But what happens if you are not aware about particular stock, then it may hammer, and if you don't take a prompt action, if the stock started hammering, then it may hammer your portfolio as well. So if you have a 5 to 6 people, open the 5 to 6 demats accounts, select the securities each and every account. Especially for children, select the nifty Bs. This is the start of the family portfolio. Now you don't need to watch the prices or securities on a regular basis or monthly basis. You don't need to watch it at all. Every quarter you can do a review of that. You can download the nowadays everything have available on the WhatsApp. You just send the holding statement and you get all the details. So in a one go you can review all the things. Now one more thing, you don't need to open a different account with a different broker. Say if your capital is not big as such, and if your capital is decent level, you don't need to open the different account with the different brokers or banks. have a one specific account or one particular broker only. This is just a suggestion, because managing a different account, and if you don't have a big quantum, it doesn't make any sense. If you have a good amount of quantum, then it's always better to have a different account and the different people to manage that. Now, you do a monitoring on every quarter. Now, what are the benefits of this? Say, if you have a particular security and the market has gone wildly and you got a good amount of benefit or the profit in that, you can book that profit in that particular financial year, say on 31st March or 29th March, and rebuy those securities in the next month, as in the April. Because not everyone is paying the income tax in your family. Maybe on children's name, but you don't need to pay, you're not paying the taxes, right? So whatever the income they generate, it will be a kind of, you'll get the tax benefit. I'm not the person who recommend absolute tax benefit kind of something. I always tell the client this thing, okay, if it is a big amount, it's better to pay the taxes and avoid the headaches for the future. So the tax benefit, see, if you have a six people and father and mother is not working, or the spouses are not working, or the children are not working, or they don't have any separate income source, you get a different avenues to save your taxes. This is the best option you get it. Another benefit you get it, a diversification. See, you don't construct the portfolio in a one go, in a one in individual name. You diversify in a different securities in a different account. That's the benefit you get into the family portfolio. Now, there are a number of brokers also who provide this kind of services. Especially, we have started this as a family portfolio. If you're looking for a more details on this family portfolio in detail, how exactly we construct, like we recommend in a particular, say, children's, for a children's perspective, we recommend the nifty Bs. Then the spouses or the parents and your account, we recommend the different sectors. Let's say in a particular account you have a pharmaceutical, in the second account you keep it, say, any banking stocks, or in another account you can keep it IT stocks as well. So in a different account, select the different sector and this different stock. Now, another important point, try to invest only into the Nifty 100. The reason, because you are not going to take a prompt action, or promptly you are not going to do a research, or you are not going to monitor their agents as well, unless you know the company's people and know the financials of the company. So if you are selecting a Nifty 100 stocks, then it could be, risk could be lesser than compared to what the penny stock or the small cap have, because hammering happens at the higher level. That's one of the reason I'm saying. So in the entire discussion, we discussed family portfolio. Now, how it works: open the different account on different different people's name, like parents or children's or spouses. Once you open that account, select the sectors and the securities into those account. Recommendation is for children, Nifty Bs. Then, if you see a bigger profit in a particular year, book that profit, take the tax benefit out of it. Then, the diversification is happens at the proper level. You get the tax benefit as well. In a simple manner, I tried to explain you. Hope you have enjoyed this discussion. If you have any comments, or if you need any more clarity on this, we have started doing this, not at the bigger level, but yes, we are getting a good response. That's the reason I thought, I'll share my views on this family portfolio. So if you need any kind of suggestion, or assistant, you can WhatsApp us on the mentioned number, or you can mention your doubts in the comment box as well. Thank you for your time. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Thank you.